Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So let's start. First, you have to check if your app has an update in case that this option didn't appear. So check if there is an update on the app. Then if you have the update already, well, you can start using Meta AI. How you can use it? Well, you have been here on chats, then you have to go to upside and then just have to click on the icon of Meta AI. It's a circle, a blue circle. You can click there and then you can see that it says business assistant, or here said as Meta AI business assistant. In my case, it's because my WhatsApp is for business, so for that reason it appears in this way. So now you can ask to the assistant, for example, let's continue and then just write it. Let's write, hello, how can I get more followers on Instagram? So now you write the message and send it. Then the Meta AI will give you an option. Now you can read that what answer give you. So it's easy to set up and performance, also supports engagement. What are your current follower count and age? So Business Assistant will ask you more questions for give you a better answer. So in this way you can start using your AI on WhatsApp without any problem.